A promise is like a secret whispered long ago. It's a special message that says something amazing is going to happen. And then, one day, it does. Long, long ago, a prophet named Micah wrote that God's special king would be born in a tiny town called Bethlehem. Hundreds of years later, that's exactly where Jesus was born. Another prophet, Isaiah, wrote about a servant who would suffer to rescue his people. This was a sad but important part of the promise. Jesus fulfilled this when he showed the greatest love of all. A prophecy is like a treasure map that shows you what to look for. Fulfillment is that amazing moment when you look up from the map and see the treasure right in front of you. All these promises matching up perfectly aren't just lucky guesses. They are like bright arrows, all pointing from different times and places to one person, Jesus. It shows God had a wonderful and faithful plan all along. When you read the Bible, you can be a promise detective. You can ask, where's the promise? And where's the match? After he came back, Jesus himself explained it all to his friends. He showed them how all the promises written down long ago were really telling his story. You can play a matching game. Make cards that say promise and cards that say happened. Can you find the pairs that go together? It's a fun way to see God's plan unfold. You can even go on a prophecy hunt. Each week, you can look for a new promise in the Bible and then search for the part of the story where it came true. Every promise made and every promise kept shows us that God is faithful. He does what he says he will do. His story is true, and we can always trust his plan.